SIUE. Oh, Edwardsville. I'm a killer too. Please play this part at the induction ceremony.
Sorry, Jason.
Oh my goodness.
I'll play something more wholesome.
That's Bailey. I'm fine with this.
No, we're talking about for the video. I don't think we can put that song on there.
Johnny, Papa.
That's a couple days.
Johnny. Sugar.
Okay, we can put the last song, but cut this.
Move past this now. We don't have to listen to this whole thing.
I disagree, Keelyn.
Turn it off.
Stand up and cheer. Stand up and cheer for Parkway West. Roar to Davy Race. The red and blue up of the rest. We are the best. The Longhorns are fighting, and we are about to win this game. We got the team. We got the team. We got the team.
We got the team.
Parkway West. Hey.
What's this I use internet?
I'm kind of losing my voice from
Everything?
drive. They think that they're just protein bars with 14 grams of protein, which is quite impressive.
They're actually answers.
Yeah, purified water.
Team, are you guys from? Are you guys MICDS?
Yeah, MICDS.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Climax of your film, just saying.
Wow. Were you guys on teams too?
Yeah, he is.
Oh,
They were.
yeah. John, show us juggling.
Even general.
Okay.
So what exactly is a good move?
I guess.
So like, do you have any?
Should I get power cards?
Do any of you know how the Wi-Fi is? There's Wi-Fi.
No idea. Nope.
No, SIUE doesn't have Wi-Fi.
Sure. Thank you.
Oh, here's team dinner.
Keelyn snacks with that garlic sauce. Oh, so good, dude.
Nice.
Loving it.
Let's do a small stand-up and cheer.
Yeah. All right, guys. Fights on.
On three, go Longhorns.
All right, guys. Longhorns on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Go
Longhorns.
There we go.
Go, go, go.
No, don't start yet.
Oh.
Okay, has everyone read the
start.
directions? Okay, do so. It'll help.
Go to A, B, C, D, E, F. I'm gonna go visit the other room. Alright, smells like progress. How's the winning team going? Jason.
Dude, stop.
Divided by that. And that is within the range.
Do you want a second?
Yep. I mean, if you want to, go ahead, but I'm going to. How many decimal places do we want here? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do you want me to do the actual bonus round?
We were a little rushed there. Our first one went pretty well, and our second one mostly agreed with it. So,
Alright, is it 5 minutes to do each or 5 minutes to do
to
all
each
of them?
station, yeah.
That's nice.
Exactly 10?
Exponential one.
Make sure you're up to your significant digits.
Oh, that is a nice eye wash. Check out that eye wash, Jason.
Eye wash.
26.7.
It's a sweet eye wash. You know, I think I said this already, but like, have you noticed everything in here? It's all clean.
It is so clean in here.
Too clean. There's no rust. There's no like.
There's no slight mess.
There's nothing. No slime growing on the
just not
beakers.
homely.
It's wrong. So are you the coordinator for this?
No, actually Samantha is, and she's doing a fantastic job.
So what do you do here?
I'm just a biochem major. I just decided to volunteer. I think this is a really cool project.
Let's go over and check out what Samantha thinks.
Hi.
Hi. Are you running the titration battle of Burettes?
I am, and yeah, kind of in charge of it. Yeah,
Yeah,
you can
alright.
say that.
How's it going right now?
It's going really good. The indicator is fading more than I would like, but yeah, it's been good so far.
You don't mind telling me the concentrations of everything?
I'm not going to tell you the answers of everything.
That's a
I will
great.
tell you that the concentration of the acid is on the paper that I handed everyone.
Nice.
That's all I can tell you.
You should use like 50.
That's what we're doing for our first ones. But we don't have much time on this.
That would make sense.
It'll be less than
Don't forget the phenolphthalein. Although I can't help you.
It's in there.
It's already in there.
Hey guys, how's it going? Oh no, that's a shame. Yeah, actually the same happened with our other team. The tip of the beret fell out.
And stop. Everyone stop the machine, write down your final volume. Don't worry about your calculations until the end. And when you can, go ahead and rotate.
Alright, first two haven't been amazing, but they've been pretty solid.
That's all you need.
I think we're striking back on C.
Alright, I'm gonna go interview John now. Although Matt's not one for the camera.
You want to say bye to the vlog real quick?
Say goodbye.
Yeah.
Good luck, guys.
Better precise reading. Oh, hang on. I already measured it. Thanks for the camera.
It wouldn't be great to talk to them right now. They're pretty focused, as you can see. Here they are doing their second trial. Of course, having more trials, as you may have learned in science, is more precise. So in titration, they start off with adding the phenolphthalein. They know right now they know the value of the molarity of their hydrogen and chloride, their hydrochloric acid, but they don't know the molarity of their unknown base. So they have to titrate, aka get the solutions to an equal amounts to get a pH of 7. And then, because you know they cancel them out, you'll get the formula N times V equals N times V, and they can use that to solve for the missing N, which is molarity, which is moles per liter.
Usually it's like...
So this is the last titration. How do you guys feel overall?
I felt good about our first four, and then our last two. I pulled this one. I pulled this out. What are the odds? Okay, guys, stop.
I hate when that happens.
That's on me.
It happens a lot at our PRAs at home.
You got your final concentration and give your papers. And you can leave.
How do you feel, Miss Keller?
Good.
We got tons of footage, and tons of well done titrations.
Those of you that are students able to come back next year, there will be new trophies.
Ooh.
So, first up, we have Jan Keller with an appreciation mug from SIUE. Next up, we have our fourth place winners. And the competition was very, very close this year. In fourth place, we're going to recognize two separate teams, one with 28 parts per thousand error, and one with 27 parts per thousand error. Next, in third place, we had two teams, each with 25 parts per thousand error.
Wow.
Those two teams are Richard Ching and Eric Thomason. And Robert McKnight and Keelyn Legler. And Keelyn, we're going to need to know about your name.
I'll let you know.
Okay. Next, our second place winner with 24 parts per thousand. So keeping in mind all of these were separated by 1 parts per thousand each. And finally, the only team to break under the 2% error mark at 19 parts per thousand, Meredith Goldberg and Trisha. One last thing. For those of you that won first and second place, we also have more SIUE swag. So for you, and for you, and an extra one for your teacher, and another one for your teacher. And then we need to get pictures of the winners with their trophies. We used to stack up on the big right here.
Woohoo! Swaggiest team.
This time we're going to stack on the bench.
Holy placers. This was like winners of free ice cream. That's all I was in this for.
So no leaving until I get your picture over there.
All right, and you can't use my name. I called my mom and she said yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Tucker.
So.
Did you?
Then again, slower titration processes. Got it.
Keller loves her turn signals.
We're about Tyra's supposed to ensure that the normal forces has a vector that's pointing away.
Oh, stop it, please.
Stop.
That's making friction.
Not even in Physics 1 anymore.
They are